Welcome, this is Sharmi Datta for channel NE24. On Sunday afternoon at a meeting called by the Sonai Road Development Organization at Swag Sundri Patshala in Sham Sundar Sarani Silchar Sonai Road, it was alleged that the newly constructed road from Rangirkhari to Sonabari Ghat by NHIDCL has been built nearly 2.5 feet high without proper planning. Moreover, the road construction is proceeding without building the drains and cross culverts on the side of the road. As a result, approximately 70,000 to 80,000 residents will face severe waterlogging during the upcoming monsoon season. Members of the Sonai Road Development Organization stated that 26 crore rupees have been allocated for the road construction. However, the work is not being done as it should have been. Departmental authorities and contractors are continuing the work with the aim of embezzling the government funds. They will submit an application to the District Magistrate of Silchar and the NHIDCL authorities to resolve the issue promptly. If there is no resolution, they have threatened to block the Sonai Road and shut down the NHIDCL office within a few days. For more news and updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page to stay connected with us.
গত 3-4 মাস ধরে এইখানে রাঙ্গেরখাড়ি টু সোনাবাড়ি ঘাট 26 কোটি টাকা স্যাংশন হয়েছে। দুই দিকের ব্রিজ, দুই দিকের ড্রেন এবং রাস্তা। কিন্তু অত্যন্ত দুঃখজনক ব্যাপার, শুধু কন্ট্রাক্টর যে কাজ পেয়েছে ও শুধু রাস্তা তৈরি করেছে, তার সাথে রাস্তা প্রায় 2 মিটার পর্যন্ত তুলে দিয়েছে, যার দরুন বিস্তীর্ণ অঞ্চল কমসে কম 70 থেকে 80 হাজার মানুষ জলের তলায় চলে যাবে।